Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Technology marches on, but just because it's technology doesn't mean that it's going to work. So many Twitter clones have been released, but nothing's really taken hold. As much as I love Mastodon, that's my home. It's my stomping grounds at this point. I've not abandoned Twitter, but quite honestly, Twitter's kind of forcing me to abandon it. The changes they made this weekend, oh my God. Now they rate limit you, the amount of tweets you could read per day. They've completely nerfed TweetDeck, destroyed its value entirely. That's how I experienced it on the desktop. Technology works, right? And I use social media to stay up to date on tech news and opinions and everything. But I've been looking and waiting really for everybody else to go somewhere that didn't exist until maybe a few hours from now. Facebook, or Meta, or whatever they're calling themselves today, is basically going to be releasing an app called Threads. Threads will allow you to bring your Instagram username and all the people that you follow from Instagram over to Threads and give you a Twitter-like experience. Although, it is Facebook, which is not always the perfect answer, but it's also not Elon Musk. And that may very well be enough. That could very well be a tipping point. Twitter is coasting, right? It's resting on its laurels, and it's just a matter of time before it just caves in, because every decision that's being made is mind-boggling until you frame it like he's doing this on purpose. He's destroying Twitter on purpose. Threads. I love Mastodon. Don't get me wrong. A Fediverse, yes, absolutely. In fact, Threads may very well have an interplay in the Fediverse. That remains to be seen. Threads, I do believe, is going to suck the air out of Twitter's room, or if you will, Twitter's space.